Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the best test series for UPSC CSC History Optional. History is a popular optional subject chosen by candidates in the IAS mains exam. It is a very important subject in the UPSC scheme of things. First in the list of best test series for History Optional is Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS ranks first on our list of best test series for History Optional. If any institute is worthy for test series for History Optional preparation, it is Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS best test series for History Optional, the best quality of teaching, helpful professors, available 24/7 for you. If you really need to help, they will help you beyond your expectation. Second in the list of top test series for History Optional is Yojana IAS. Yojana IAS ranks second on our list of best test series for History Optional. Yojana IAS test series for History Optional is the best place for civil coaching, good quality question papers and explanations, materials and current affairs. Top test series for History Optional. Next in the list of best test series for History Optional is Online Khan Market. With the help of Online Khan Market, an aspirant can download best test series for History Optional. There are many toppers who download best test series for History Optional with the help of onlinekhanmarket.com. This is the best Online Khan Market. This is the best platform for genuine notes and test series for where you can download soft copy for better preparation of History Optional. Next in the list of best test series for History Optional is Examophobia. On examophobia.com, you will be getting UPSC Civil Services best updated UPSC History Optional hard copy notes and test series for best IAS coaching institution. This platform is very good for genuine hard copy UPSC notes and test series in affordable price. Most of the UPSC toppers have been taken hard copy test series for UPSC prelims mains from examophobia.com. And Mnewnal.app test series have a great number of tests for you to attempt and polish your preparations and provide the mock tests. And for the further related inquiries and lectures, you can also go through the platform of The Hindu Zone.